Time for another dose of Sunday sustainable secondhand shopaholic sickness shopping savings steals of the deals of the reals from the RealReals. Okay. Hey guys, we're doing another RealReal unboxing, but this time I actually went into the store and got it. The bag's broken. Already broke as soon as I got it, but went into the store, bought a couple things, saw things, bought things. RealReal, can you believe it? Instead of buying online, I bought it in the store. Okay, so we're gonna go through it, we're gonna talk about it, and I'm gonna show you what I got. And if you watched that other video where I posted me shopping, you probably know what I got, but we're gonna go through. So some RealReal steals unboxings, okay? 3 things from 2 different stores, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholic, and today we're doing some secondhand sustainable savings steal of deals from the RealReals that I got. Last time I went to the RealReal in person, I went to the Brentwood store and the Melrose store. So we're gonna talk about both really quickly and then do the unboxing. So we got Hermes, Loewe, and Chanel, okay? I guess that kind of gives away what I got, but whatever. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? So I also started thrifting, so I'm gonna show another thrifting. We're gonna do more sustainable stuff on this channel. Still doing the high-end luxury, but high, low, luxe, kind of mixing it up. Okay, so as you know, I do this segment pretty much now and then. Also, side note, do we like this segment? Because I've posted it a few times now, almost every weekend. I skipped a few, but pretty much every weekend, and it doesn't seem like it's the most popular / engaging / So I would love your feedback. Do we like these? Do we want these? Do we want to keep doing these? If not, it's fine. I can stick to the more high-end stuff, which I still have a bunch of videos that I have not posted and unboxings and reviews and things like that, which I will happily do, but I wanted to see if you guys like these or not. Okay, so I went to the store in person. I went to the store in person to see a few things. I asked to see a few things. I went to the Brentwood store first, saw everything I wanted, and then asked them to hold it whilst I went to the other store to go check it out. The other store, the Melrose store, had this beautiful clothes that I liked, an impulse spot, because I was actually going in for like a small leather good or something like that, a gift, which I ended up getting still, a gift for my cousin's wedding, which I got still, but I got these other things as well, kind of impulsively. The first thing I got, which I think most of you saw. So I got 2 pieces of clothing, which they gave me, they did a little luxury. It came in a little RealReal dust bag with a little RealReal hanger and everything like that, which I was very impressed with. It's a little nice little touch. I think this, when you buy in the store, it's a little bit of a different experience than just being shipped in a box, right? You get the little bit of a luxury experience. I went to the changing room, I tried it on and blah, blah, blah. There was no coffee or tea or anything like that, or water offer. Oh no, they do offer water. I didn't take any water. There was like, there's a little bit more experience. Anyway, this I tried on, I saw it. I asked my sales associate to bring it in store so I could try it on a couple weeks ago. Fell in love. It is Hermes. Anyway, so I saw it and I was like, I had to try it on. I tried it on. It felt so good and felt so nice. So I got it. I think I might. So they do this. I'm a sucker for savings and for deals. So obviously this is secondhand, vintage, used, way under retail, still quite expensive for a coat. But they have this promo once a month, twice a month, whenever, when you get your credits for the previous month. If you shop and spend a certain amount of money, they give you credit back. So if you spend $2,500, you get $500 back. So I usually do this every month at the RealReal. I spend about $2,500 to get the $500 back. But this I bought before that promo and it was $2,500. So I asked my sales associate, can I return it and rebuy it during the promo? They were like, yeah, we can do that. We'll make it work. So I'm gonna go return it and then buy it again before when the promo is happening. So I'll get another $500 off. So it'll actually only be $2,000. Not $500 off, $500 in credit for the next thing, but in my head, it's $500 off, even though I'm gonna spend it on something else and I'm gonna double count that 500, but that's here or there, okay? So gay math, girl math, guy math. Anyway, I got this vintage cashmere coat. The only thing I didn't like about it was that it's palladium hardware, but it beggars can't be choosers. It's very vintage, it's very old, and it's very nice. It's got Kelly buckles on it, okay? So the buckle, the way it closes, the closures are Kelly closures, okay? So it is a gray cashmere coat. Very vintage. And then it's got these leather Kelly buckles to close it. So it closes like that. There's no zipper, there's no buttons. These are basically the buttons and there's 4 of them and they go all across. I don't know if they've made this. It must be quite old because the tag is like a very old Hermes style tag, but I feel like, I don't know if they ever made this in gold or not. I would have loved it if they would come with gold, but literally this is the only one I've ever seen of this coat. So I got it. It's cashmere. It's so soft. Perfect for all my winter trips. Even I wore it around here. Like, it's so nice. It's so luxurious. It's got a hood. This is my forever new coat. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. But I am gonna go return it first, and then I have to wait for them to re-authenticate it. So there is a slight chance that I could lose it to someone else, but I told my SA to hold it. None of you go get it. Don't get it. That's me. Okay. The other thing I got, this was totally impulsive, but like I'm loving the big oversized things right now. Loving comfy clothing. I'm literally in pajamas. Like, I'm just want to be as comfortable as possible instead of like always like dressing up, which I used to do all the time. Obviously now I feel like a little more comfy. This is comfy, but it's stylish, and it was just this big oversized thing, and I just fell in love and it called to me. It was like 20-30% off their price. So I think it was $500. Also, I had a little credit. I had $500 from the last time from the previous month that I was using, and I triple counted it. I was like, oh, that's already 500 off. This is 500 off. I mean, this was covered, and then that was also 500 off. But it actually doesn't work that way. But in my head, I was like, man. Anyway, okay, so this, yeah, and especially because I'm, you know, a little bit bigger right now. I'm trying to get back into fighting shape. So whilst I like these little oversized things. It's the most comfy, cozy, giant, Loewe, gray, like just blanket sweater. So good. I love it. I'm obsessed. I can't get enough. It's so pretty. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this one? I love this one. Okay, and then the third thing I got, which actually ended up being so it was a small other goods I got, actually ended up being an old fashion file thing. So it's Fashion File by TheRealReal. I saw this in person first. It was at the Brentwood store, but I went to go see the things at the Melrose to compare, but I didn't end up liking them, so I got this one. I just added it to my cart or whatever, and then had it shipped because I didn't want to go back to the Brentwood store to go pick it up. But it's limited edition, rare, hard to get. It was way over retail, but also this is a limited edition one. And also, again, my $500 credit worked towards this too. Didn't, right? Can only work once, but it's a gift. So it is the Chanel So Black, although I kind of want to keep it for myself. So I don't know, because I did lose my last one. I don't know, anyway. It's the Chanel Caviar So Black CC, pristine condition. It's Virginia Vard, but it's like early Virginia Vard, so the quality maybe hopefully is a little bit better than the recent stuff. It's the kind that comes with the authenticity card, so it's 2020 or 2021 or earlier. I think it was 2020. So Black, comes with everything, and caviar, so it's durable, and also a little subtle with the So Black. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. That's it. This is my whole sustainable thing. Tuesday, I think I'll start the Tuesday thrifting segment. And yeah, I got some more travel again, so I probably will be out for a little bit again, but I will try again to post as much as I can. And I know I keep saying that, but it's posting is a full-time job, and I have a full-time job, so it's very hard. So I will keep to try to do my best. Okay, thank you guys. Let me know what you want to see more of, less of, whatever, in the comments below. Love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies, exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.